All right, let's go have some fun. Let's do it. Remember, nice warm-up lap. The track's colder, your tires are colder because it's cooled off. So just kind of work up to pace.
This is the $1 million corner.
Yeah, because a lot of times you'll spin and go there because you're off balance. But you've been doing great at it, so don't let that eat you away. Try to apex that later next time. Let's see what it feels like. There you go, nice. Yeah, there you go. Yes. Nice. Very nice. Settle the car. There you go. Very nice, yeah. There you go. Good. Take it. Yeah, nice. Nice, beautiful. Yeah, there you go. Way to use the brake only on the straight part of that and then get on the throttle. That was good. We got this guy in front of us. Let's feel what like a late apex feels like anyway on this. So you're going to be over here. Now turn.
Yep, I like that.
Yeah, you like that? Then you can draw a straight line more. Oh, come on. Drive your line. There's your point by. Take it. Perfect. There you go. Yeah. Just get on them that way. Hopefully you'll get a point by in this right after $1 million. There you go. Nice. Oh, there you go. Nice. Way to work the car. Awesome. Way to throttle in on that. That was the right decision. Beautiful. Oh, now we are just flying around this track. Oh, woo! We're just moving now. That was awesome. There you go. Stamp those brakes. There you go. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Brake, 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 brake. All right, try the late apex again. A little too much. Yeah, a little too late. That's okay. We've been racing the same line all day. Now we're adjusting it. Brake, downshift, nice. There you go, turn in, turn in. Alright, do your thing here, you got this turn. Woo! Damn, you guys are lucky you can do that. I don't get to do that. Over here just getting a feed throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah. This guy's like feather, feather. Okay, get it somehow. Alright, there you go. Alright, brake appropriately here. Don't get ahead of yourself. Nice, 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 nice. Alright, brake, brake, brake. Nice, set yourself up. Yeah, now carry it all the way through. There you go. Drive your own turn here. Drive your own turn. Nice. Look at you just catching all these guys. Man, this guy, yeah. And now we're gonna have, now the turbo high power car has to let the 190 horsepower car go.
Yeah.
I know it's embarrassing, but you gotta let it happen. Alright, get yourself set up to... Yeah, that's yours, that's yours. He's gonna let you go, take it. Alright, focus on your turn, focus on your braking point. Brake! Nice. I like that you're pushing it. I like that you're pushing it. Stay within yourself. Nice. You're doing great. Alright. There's your point by. Alright. Now you got some room to do this turn your way again. Nice. There you go. There you go. There, yeah. Just touch it just a little bit. Let them know you're there. There you go. Throttle to get your grip. Nice. Awesome. Now set yourself up right here. Woo-hoo! Nice. Set yourself up again. Nice. Yeah, drive your own turn here. Drive it. Beautiful, beautiful. I really like that. That's awesome. I instructed this guy last year, or 2 years ago. Good. Oh, he shouldn't shift there. Yeah, set yourself up again and take your turn. Hopefully, there. Yep, there it is. Take it. You got it. You got it. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Gas, 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 gas. Take it, take it, take it. Nice. Yeah, you can unwind that wheel a little sooner. You can try to draw that straighter line to that next apex, especially when you're hopping the curb like that. That passing flag isn't for you. We're good. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, now remember, we've done a lot of laps and your tires have taken a beating.
Yep.
So they might give a little bit more. So just take that into account as we're getting faster and faster. Because I know you're getting better and better at these turns, but we're also a little bit at the max of some things.
Yeah.
So just know your car. Not saying go slow. just know your car. As long as it feels good to you. You're the driver. You know your car best.
Yeah, I feel like I'm still there.
Yeah. And hey, if it feels good, it feels good. Like I said, use your best judgment. You're doing awesome through all this. You're just flowing. There you go. Woo! Sounds like those brakes are at the right temp now.
Yeah.
I can hear them. That's good.
Too hot.
We're using tires. That's okay. They're a wear item. That's why that's called patience. That's exactly why. You are not the first person or the last person to make that mistake. Oh, yeah. Yeah, your brakes are just moving. Man, they're at the right temperature. It just feels good. And you're taking, I love how you take this.
This one feels so good.
Yeah, you're in a very good groove right now. Remember, racing's about being smooth, and you're smooth. Smooth and fast. Nice. There you go, you got it. See, they're soft. Alright, this guy needs to give a 0.5. How much camber's built into that S2000.
That's nuts.
That's the only way we get to keep up with you guys. Alright, hopefully we can get some 0.5s here. I'll give us a 0.5. There we go. I was gonna say, God, that S2000's been on your ass all day.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get a 0.5 in the front straight, hopefully.
Patience.
Or not the front straight, the back straight right here. Yeah, patience, set yourself up, nice. Yeah.
What the fuck?
See, there you go, there it is. You're a little off your line. Yeah, drive it a little different. Yeah, there you go. Alright, now we're back on the track where we need to be. There you go, nice. Gas, it'll suck it in. Alright, settle the car before you take this. Nice. Way not to be jerky. Nice. Brake, nice. Nice. Perfect, that was awesome. Guys and your all-wheel drive power. I wish I could be doing that. I have to drive the fuck out of my car to do that. Alright. Patience right here. Nice. Speed in that throttle. Beautiful. Now we're in a good pack of people. That S2000, you and him are like neck and neck. This guy, you're faster than this guy. But yeah, you and that S2000, you guys have a good pace right there. You guys are like neck and neck with each other. Oh, he's pitting. you're good. You're good. Turned in just a little too early there. You could probably feel it. Like you're like, this track doesn't look the same as it has before. That'll happen. You'll be like, I did something wrong.
Yeah, I was doing it so good before that now I'm just overthinking it and messing it up.
Yeah, don't think. Just get in the groove.
This one's so smooth though.
Yeah. I think this S3000 might be on a cooldown lap, so he might let you go. Or he wants to play like cat and mouse. We'll see. Yeah, it's probably on a cooldown lap most likely. So it's probably going to set you up to let you go. So get on the gas, yeah, perfect. See, that's someone with experience. They know exactly where to go to let you pass.
Yeah.
When you get in the upper levels, it'll be smooth like that. That's the nice thing. All right. You almost get forced into patience here. The cars in front of you make you be patient.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, get on it. Yeah, perfect. That's 3-1. You're pushing the braking zones, which I like. Now just find that middle ground. Not too much. Oh, checkered flag. Never mind.
Yeah.
Next time.